Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Silet Shodar Online School. It's me Ahmed Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Postim Shodar High School and College, Silet Shodar. My dear learners, due to pandemic COVID-19, just you are staying at home. I hope you are doing great. I'm good too. Dear learners, look at the board. I have written 3 sentences. If you heat ice, it melts. If he comes, we'll be happy. If I want, he will help me. So dear learners, can you guess what will be our today's topic? Well, our today's topic is conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. Dear learners, look at the word once again. In every sentence, how many parts are there? In a sentence, there are 2 parts. If you heat ice, one part, it melts, another part. And there is a if. If means condition. So this sentence is called a conditional sentence. A conditional sentence has 2 parts. One part is if part, another part is result part. We say if clause or main clause. We can say if clause, main clause. So if part, result part. We can write if part at the beginning and result part at the ending. Also we can write result part at the beginning. We can also write result part at the beginning of the sentence, then if part. Look at the word I am writing. It melts. So it's result part if you heat ice. If you heat ice. So dear learners, this is if part at the beginning, that is the result part of the beginning. So you can write a conditional sentence in 2 ways. If part or if clause in the beginning, or result part or main clause in the beginning. So 2 ways we can write a conditional sentence. Dear learners, remember when you write if part at the beginning of a conditional sentence, so you must put a comma. If you write if part at the beginning, you must put a comma. But if you write result part or main clause at the beginning, you need not to put a comma. Remember, this is very important. If you write if part at the beginning, you must put a comma. But if you write result part at the beginning, you need not to put a comma. It's very simple. Just remember. And if you practice, then you can write and you will never drop it. And if part is not a complete sentence. Remember, if part is not a complete sentence, but the result part is a complete sentence. If he comes, we'll be happy. So we'll be happy, it is a complete sentence. But if he comes, so that is not a complete sentence. Always if part is not a complete sentence. As an example, if I say if Rahim comes, if Karim comes, you'll ask me, sir, what will happen? Please complete your sentence. So remember, if part is not a complete sentence, but the result part is a complete sentence. Let's check. What's the structure? Structure. What is the structure of a complete sentence? If clause plus main clause. Okay. So structure, if clause, main clause. Both clauses will make a complete sentence. If clause or if part, main clause or result part. So two parts make a complete sentence. We can also write another way. Main clause plus if clause. We can write in this way, main clause plus if clause. That means a result part at the beginning, then if part. So it's the structure of a conditional sentence, not the formation. Remember, it's the structure. The conditional sentence looks like if clause. When you are going to write a conditional sentence, you have to find out where is if clause and what will be the main clause. And if main clause is given, find out what will be the if clause. My dear learners, now let's check the formation of a conditional sentence. How we can write a conditional sentence. Formation. What is the formation of a conditional sentence? If plus present simple, that means present simple tense, plus present simple. It is the formation of a conditional sentence. If, present simple and present simple. Let's check an example. If you heat ice, it melts. Dear learners, look at the word. If, present simple, you heat ice. This is present simple, that means present simple tense. Then comma. Why comma? Why we have put comma here? Because if clause is the beginning. We have written if clause at the beginning, so we must put a comma. Okay. And present simple, it melts. This is the present simple tense. The formation of conditional sentence: if clause, if you heat ice. Main clause, it melts. If part, result part. If clause, main clause. The formation is if, present simple, present simple. Let's check another formation. If plus present simple, that means simple tense, future simple. So it's other formation. It's another formation of conditional sentence. If, present simple, future simple. If you come, then what will be? Okay, very good. Comma, because if clause. We have written if clause here, so we must put a comma. If you come, what will be future simple? Wow. We will play. Very good. If you come, we will play. If you come, we will play. So if clause, if you come, so this is present simple, we will play future simple. Look, we will play future simple, you come, present simple. You heat ice, present simple, it melts, same present simple. So dear learners, when you find if, present simple, it is called the zero conditional. When you will find a sentence, if there is a condition, if present simple, we say this is zero conditional. And when we find if, present simple, future simple, we say first conditional. Okay. So just we are talking about Dear learners, once again, when we find if present simple, we say zero conditional. When we write if present simple, future simple, it will be first conditional. Simple if present simple, always zero conditional. If present simple, future simple, first conditional. Dear learners, open your writing copy and take your pen. Then match column B with column A for making a meaningful conditional sentence. Thank you. Look at the board and check on your writing copy what you have done. If you make late, you will miss the CNG. If you are honest, everyone will respect you. If it rains, flowers get wet. If she speaks more, nobody will like her. Dear learners, once again open your writing copy and take your pen, then complete these sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 sentences for you. If we drink dirty water, if I am sick, if she comes late, if you are attentive in the class, if they freeze water. Dear learners, think what will be the next part. Every part is if part. So what will be the result part or main clause? We say if part. Can you remember what we say? We say if part or if clause. And we need main clause or result part. So what will be the result part? So write on your writing copy. Have you finished? Okay, now let's check what you have written. If we drink dirty water, we will be sick. If I am sick, I go to the hospital. If she comes late, she will miss the bus. If you are attentive in the class, you will learn more. If they freeze water, it turns into ice. So dear learners, all these sentences are conditional sentences. There is a condition and it is the result of the condition. Every sentence there is a condition and the main clause the result of that condition. The learners, in every sentence there is a condition and that is the result of that condition and that is the result of this condition. So we can write a conditional sentence like this way. I think it's clear to you about a conditional sentence or writing a conditional sentence. I think you can write a conditional sentence. If someone asks which one is conditional sentence, you can find out it very easily. This is the conditional sentence. Can you tell me, anyone, what's the formation of a conditional sentence? Just to recall. So my dear learners, can you tell me what's the formation of zero conditional? Okay, so zero conditional, if, good job, then present simple, next, very good, present simple. So it's a zero conditional. We can write zero conditional, zero conditional. So when we find if present simple, we say zero conditional. Very good. And another conditional, first conditional. Good job. If present simple, then present simple. Very good. Future simple. We say this is first conditional. So first conditional, zero conditional, if present simple, first conditional, if present simple, future simple. So you can write in this way the conditional sentences. I think it's clear to you. I think it will be very helpful for identifying or writing a conditional sentence. So my dear learners, if you find any problem, just let me know. I'll try to help you. Write the homework on your writing copy. Write 10 conditional sentences. Dear learners, you will write 10 conditional sentences on your reading copies. You can take help from your English grammar book. Okay, thank you so much. Now I am going to conclude the class. Please stay safe.